The Musubi House gets its name from its floor plan's resemblance to the Hawaiian version of the Japanese rice onigiri. On several occasions, while looking at the drawings, a carpenter noted how much the floor plan resembled a musubi, and the name stuck. It is located on the northeastern slope of Mauna Kea, on Hawaii's Big Island. The lot consists of expansive fields of wainaku grass. Due to its exposure to strong winds and horizontal rain, it is a challenging site to build on. The location sits in the path of the trade winds coming from the west. Its elevation creates a weather dynamic that can quickly shift from a brilliant, cloudless blue sky with no trace of wind to a landscape shrouded in clouds and wind-blown horizontal rain within minutes. The house's diagram is simple, a triangle within a triangle supporting a diamond-shaped roof. The inner triangle consists of 3 curved concrete walls defining the 3 zones of the house: the suite, the kitchen, and the work-social area. The exposed concrete structure is visible throughout the interior and complements the warmer finishes, such as the wooden ceiling and vibrant furnishings. The triangular atrium at the center offers an outdoor room between the spaces with a floor of cut pahoho lava. The doors on both sides of the atrium retract seamlessly into the walls. A landscape of hapuu ferns and rapis palms creates a layer of privacy for the outdoor shower and the atrium's bedrooms. This protected space can be used in mist or bright sunshine, a true extension of the indoor space without a roof. The house prioritizes permeability over privacy, with a floor plan free of doors or rigid boundaries. Spaces flow from zone to zone, always remaining connected to the landscape. The grass flows right up to the edge of the floor-to-ceiling glass walls. Looking through the windows to the grassy landscape is like watching waves on the open sea. Residents arrive via a garage on the lower level, where a spiral staircase illuminated by a skylight leads to the home's main floor. The cast-in-place concrete house is self-sufficient, powered by photovoltaic panels and reusing all domestic garden and rainwater collected by the roof and stored in cisterns. The house embraces the nature of the windswept grasslands of the Hamakua coast, floating in this sea of grass like a ship floats on the ocean. Like the bow of a ship, the sharpest point of this triangular house deflects the formidable wind. Here, the wind blows through the long valleys and fields, making the grass move like waves in the ocean.